Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come see gigabyte.com. This is the official website of Gigabyte, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button and then enter your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. Then click on product, then title of the motherboard name, click on subject support, then select operating system which is you required, Windows 10, 11. Select LAN driver extract. You can see this Realtek LAN driver 10 MB and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Then open. Then after download, just open it. And this is exe. So double click for launch. And then require the administrator rights. Now this is installing LAN driver. And this is closed and then this is installed.